Greetings, guys. What's going on? Back in the airport again for the third out of 4 trips to Europe this year. This trip, we're going to be spending the majority of the time in Lofton, Norway, via Iceland, Finland, and Sweden. I'm going to be there for almost 2 weeks. Like I said, the majority of this trip is going to be in Norway, southern Norway, and then ending the trip in Lofton before flying to Boston to meet family and the kids for a week in New England and Salem, and finish off an entire month of fall foliage shooting in New England, which I haven't been to in a very long time. So I'm very much looking forward to this one. Stick around, guys. It's going to be an awesome trip, awesome B-roll coming, awesome edits. So just hang in there, and we'll see you very, very soon. guys, what's going on? Thanks for hanging. Hope you've enjoyed the B-roll so far. Did 3 days in Helsinki and then 3 days in Stockholm. Got city stuff out of the way first, but now I'm in southern Norway, about 150 kilometers east of Bergen. And obviously we're getting into the real reason why I'm here. So I got the city stuff and city sites out of the way, and now the good stuff. Anyways, I got here really late. My flight got in late, had a problem with a rental car as usual. And by the time I got here, all the tunnels were closed, so I had to like take detours. It took me about 5 hours to make a 2.5 hour drive. I arrived at 5 o'clock in the morning, and it was not really a great experience. They left my key outside. I couldn't find the lockbox. It's like I'm like shaking from exhaustion and just being like and wired from the drive and driving through the rain and in the mountains and tunnels and stuff. So anyways, I got here late. I slept in till about noon and was just gonna take the day and kind of chill and download some of my content and start editing stuff. But I figured, you know what? To hell with that. I'm not doing that at all. I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna hit the ground running, which is what I did. I did 3 places yesterday. I went to a stave church, I went to this amazing hiking trail, and then I found this other hiking area. And so I ended up hiking a ton, about 5 miles, about 2,000 feet of elevation gain, which I was not prepared for, but alas, you know, when in Norway, do as the Norwegians do or something. Anyway, so I'll give you guys a quick tour of the room and show you what's up, and then we'll talk about what's next. So. All right, so room's pretty awesome. It's very nice. This place doesn't have good reviews, and I don't understand why, because it is really nice. You know, typical little luggage coat rack area. The bathroom is also kind of normal, no frills, but the tile floor is heated. I did not know that. I came in here in the middle of the night to pee, and wow, my feet were warm. I couldn't believe it. It was amazing. I'm a mess as usual. Got my camera stuff all over the place, chargers all over the place, snacks all over the place. I was just eating lunch while I was watching a show on my laptop. But it's actually a really nice room, really comfortable. Everything's been renovated here. So if you're ever in this area, in the Otta, Norway area, Trolltunga Hotel is the way to go. Give you guys a quick view of what I saw out my window when I woke up in the morning. Wow, right? Does not suck. Yeah, there's like right over here, there's like a 300 or 400 foot waterfall. Just there's waterfalls everywhere. Like literally, you can look any direction, there's a waterfall. But it's just, yeah, it snowed last night. So anyways, here's my refrigerator. Close the windows, or open the windows rather, and close the curtains, and you got something to do. And you got yourself a fridge. There's no fridge in the room, so. Alright, so anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Spend tomorrow in the north part of this area exploring some more stuff. And then after this, I am headed to Lofoten for 4 days, which I'm super excited about because I have perfect weather. So hang in there. The best is yet to come, guys. See you soon. Greetings guys, what's up? I am in Lofoten and this is the crown jewel of this trip, as I've been anticipating this and building this for a long time. If my voice sounds weird, I had this weird feeling that my mic was going to go out. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple of years ago, when I was doing the Iceland video, my mic malfunctioned and I didn't realize it because I didn't review the footage. But I had this gut feeling to listen and make sure that my mic was working, and lo and behold, it isn't. So I'll try to fix it in post. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad. Anyways, I just got here last night. I'm here for 4 days, and wow, I don't even know what to say. This place, I thought southern Norway was pretty, but well, it is. It is beautiful, but man, this is just, it is literally a photographer's dream come true, is what this place is. I'll give you guys a quick tour of the place that I'm staying, which is way nicer. I thought this was a hostel. I was totally wrong about that. It's not a hostel. It's actually a cabin that looks like one of those little red fishing cabins, and I'll show you guys here in a second. Then you'll see in the B-roll and the drone footage what it looks like. So let me give you a quick little tour. So it's got an entranceway, a little like porthole looking thing. There's a bathroom, which is really very spacious and very nice. This is, I don't even know how new this place is. It's got to be brand new. It has a whole bedroom. It's basically a cabin. It's got a whole bedroom. You guys can see the view out the window kind of, but I'll show you here in a minute. And it's got a full living room and a kitchen. So this is definitely suitable for a family of 4. Could easily stay in here for a very long time. Got a picture up on the wall of the lights. There's a TV and a couch. But here's what really makes this place good. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at here. This is my view out my window. Yeah. It is ridiculous how beautiful it is here. Like, I can't even really put it into words. You've got like all sorts of, there's like little fishing, there's a bridge over there, the boats come through. I'll even take you outside and kind of show you guys this here for a second so you can see it. Try to make the A-roll shorter than this, but so yeah, here's my cabin. As you can see, there's more of them down here. That's basically what mine looks like. But yeah, I mean, the water is just, let's see if I can turn it up so you can see. Yeah, here we go. The water is crystal clear. It is like this crystal clear green color, but it is just absolutely ridiculous how beautiful this place is. It's basically Milford Sound in New Zealand on crack. Milford Sound's beautiful too, but it's not very big. It's very small. It's like an inlet, kind of like a lagoon. But this is just hundreds of these islands. Okay, so let's go back in here. All right, so I'm going to, I got up this morning and shot early. The sun came up at 8. It's basically, you guys can see it outside. It kind of looks like it's golden hour still, like the sun came up an hour ago. It's actually like 12:30 in the afternoon. So basically it's like the sun rises, it's golden hour all day long, and then the sun sets. And then obviously got a good KPI, or KP index for the lights. More so tomorrow night than tonight, but the weather and the KP index is high. So fingers crossed for some amazing lights, photography, and some time-lapse stuff. So anyways, it's been fun. Enjoy the B-roll of Lofoten. It is amazing here. Can't wait to show you guys the final edits and of course the B-roll and the drone stuff. So thanks for hanging. We'll see you on the next one.